Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a coronavirus protector at home. This is the coronavirus protector. Let's see how to make it. Let's go on to the video. We need a small plastic box, a DC alarm or a buzzer, a 9V battery connector with MX23 pin, ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04, and the main component for our project is Arduino UNO and jumper cable male to female. Let's go on to the video. Before starting our project, first we have to program the Arduino UNO board. This is the programming cable. This pin have to be connected to the Arduino UNO and other end the USB pin to the laptop or your PC. You have to run your program in Arduino IDE app in PC or laptop. Now let's start giving the circuit. I have taken a male pin and other end is a copper for connecting DC alarm. And black pin to the negative terminal of the DC buzzer or the alarm. Next we have a male to female jumper cable. We will connect it with the ultrasonic sensor. For that we have to insert the 4 female pin to the ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04. Now let's start giving the circuit. First we will connect the DC buzzer. Now the circuiting part is over. Let's connect the 9V battery DC input to the DC input 9V. Now our circuit is working. Now our circuit is ready. Let us assemble in a small plastic box. Before assembling all the circuit onto the box, first we will make a hole so that the ultrasonic sensor can come out of it easily. Now I have made the 2 holes so that I can easily insert the ultrasonic sensor. Now we will keep the Arduino UNO board inside the box. We'll insert the DC input. Now I have kept the circuit inside the box. We will fix the buzzer outside the box nearer to it. We will put the glue. Then we will fix it. Now we will close the lid of the box. Now the coronavirus protector is ready. Let's see how it works, and we will assemble in a small band. This is a small hand band. We will attach on the bottom of the box. First we will take the glue gun. We will paste it on the back side of the box. Now you can wear in both your hands, on your left, on your right. Now the coronavirus protector is ready. I have set up in my hand with the help of a band. Let's see how it works. If any people is less than 1 meter of distance, it gives an alarm. So that we have to be more than 1 meter. That means a social distance should be maintained properly and correctly. Let's see how it works. So that every people can be ensured and can be safe from coronavirus. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos.